Hello students, this is chapter 2 polynomials, and in this video we will do multiple choice questions based on polynomials. The first question is, which of the following expression is a polynomial in one variable? See all the parts. This is x is the power negative because it is in denominator. Here the power in fraction. See this expression, x is square and this is x. So it is a polynomial and one variable. Here x and y. So here are two variables. So our option C is correct because the polynomial only have the variables power in the form of whole numbers. This is correct, option C. Now come to the second part. C. Which of the following expression is a polynomial? See all the parts. Under root x minus 1, this is not the polynomial because it has the power 1 by 2. Here we will talk about this. First we see here x is denominator, in denominator, so it is not polynomial. This is also we will solve it, what the power of x, and in this expression also. Now part second में आप देखिए, this we will make it rationalize x minus 1, x plus 1 and x minus 1, and this is x minus 1. So here it becomes x minus 1 whole square upon x square minus 1. So it is in the denominator. So this is not in the form of whole number power, and in the option C this becomes x to the power of 3 by 2, and this is x to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. This becomes x to the power of 3 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to x to the power of 2 upon 2. So this becomes 1. So it will be x. So option C. See this. B option is wrong. C is correct because here this term, D is correct. Here x to the power of minus 2. So this is not a polynomial. In option D, this term becomes x, and it shows that the power of x is in whole number. So which of the expression is a polynomial? Answer D is correct. D is correct. Third, which of the following is a polynomial? See, this is the variable having power 1 by 3. So this is not polynomial. This is also not polynomial. Y. This is the power having 1, which is in the form of whole number, and D also wrong. So our C option is correct. Which of the following is a polynomial? Watch all the expression. Here this is not in the form x is negative power. Here also x have negative power, x to the power of minus 1 if you brought it in, if you bring it in numerator, and here x to the power of 1 by 2. So this is the polynomial. Option D is correct, which you can say a constant polynomial. Part 5th, question number 5. Which of the following is a polynomial? See all the expressions. Here x having non-negative, integral power is not there. It means the power is not in the form of whole numbers. Here also this is not polynomial, this is not, and D option is correct. This is 0 polynomial, and in question number 4 this is constant polynomial, which I have already explained in my previous videos. Which of the following is a quadratic polynomial? Question number 6. Quadratic means the highest degree of the variable should be 2. So Option D is correct. This is the quadratic polynomial. Here A is linear polynomial, B cubic, C cubic polynomial, and D option is correct. Come to the 7th question. Which of the following is a linear polynomial? Means x having the power 1. So option B is correct, and C other these are not linear polynomials. Come to the next 8th. Which of the following is a binomial? Binomial means the polynomial which have two terms. So here only this expression has two terms. So B option is correct. Question number 8, B. Come to the next. See all the parts again. Now question number 9. Under root 3 is a polynomial of degree. Under root 3 is a constant polynomial, and constant polynomial have the degree 0. So option D is correct. Question number 9. Question number 10. Degree of the 0 polynomial is. Degree of the 0 polynomial. 0 polynomial means the polynomial have only a number 0. So it is like this. 0 polynomial means p x is equal to 0, a number which is 0. This is called the 0 polynomial. And what is asking in the question, degree of the 0 polynomial is not defined. Option C is correct. Now next, 0 of the 0 polynomial is. This is the 0 polynomial and 0 of the 0 polynomial. Suppose you put here p 1. So you can write it 0 into 1 is equal to 0. Write here p, suppose any value p 5. So you will get 0 into 5 is equal to 0. Next p, suppose minus 2. So 0 into minus 2 is equal to 0. So any value of x, the 0 polynomial becomes 0. And what is the 0 of the any polynomial? If we substitute any value of x and it becomes 0, that is called the 0 of the polynomial. Here we are substituting any real number for 0 polynomial. We are getting 0. So every real number is the 0 of the 0 polynomial. So here in the 11th, C option is correct. Every real number is the 0 of the 0 polynomial. Now next, see the 11th. Come to the question number 12. Px is equal to x plus 4. So we will get the value of px plus p minus x. So now px is equal to x plus 4. So we will solve it, putting px is equal to x plus 4 plus here substitute minus x in place of x. So p minus x is equal to minus x plus 4. So this becomes x plus 4 minus x plus 4. You will get 8. Now option D is correct. See all the parts. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, and next is 13. We have to calculate the value p 2 root 2. So substitute in the polynomial p root 2 root 2 is equal to 2 root 2 square minus 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. Here this x, we substitute the value in place of x, plus 1. This becomes 2 root 2 square, and here 2 root 2 and once again 2 root 2. So you can also write it 2 root 2 whole square plus 1. Both are cancelled, you will get 1. So our option B is correct. Next, px is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Solve the value p minus 1. See the 14 part. P minus 1, substitute this value, 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 square plus 3. So this becomes minus 5 and this is positive. 1 into minus 4 is equal to 4 plus 3. Solve it, minus 6. So our option D is correct. Option D is correct. Next, question number 15. Question number 15. If x to the power of 51 plus 51 is divided by x plus 1, then the remainder is. See the solution. Here it is divided by x plus 1. So we have, it is not need to long division by putting this linear polynomial is equal to 0. Like this. This thing is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1. Substitute the value in polynomial p minus 1. So you will get the remainder here, minus 1 to the power of 51 plus 51. This becomes, because it is odd number, so minus, this number will be minus 1 plus 51. You will get 50. Remainder is 50. Our option D is correct. Option D is correct. Next, if x plus 1 is a factor of the polynomial this, then k is equal to. If it is a factor, so put this thing is equal to 0 and substitute the x in this polynomial. So you will get the value of k. Our polynomial px is this, gx is x plus 1, this thing is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to minus 1. Substitute this value, p minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 1 square, 2 into minus 1 square plus k into minus 1. This will be 0 because this polynomial is a factor of the px, gx is a factor of px. So substitute this thing is equal to 0. Here this becomes 1, so 2 plus, here this is minus 1, so this sign will be minus k. Minus k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 2. Answer. So our option in question number 16, C is correct. C. Correct. Question number 17. When px is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 2x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 1 is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is. So this is px and this is gx. Substitute gx is equal to 0 and at the value of x you will get the remainder from the px. This thing is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 2, p2 is equal to 2 to the power of 4 when you substitute in this polynomial the value of x, plus 2 into 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square plus 2 minus 1. Solve it. Here 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, plus this is also 16. Here 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 3 is 12, and 2 minus 1 plus 1. So you will get 16, 16, 32 and plus 1, 33 minus 12. Subtracted 3 minus 2, 1, 3, 21. So our option D is correct. Question number 17. C. Option D is correct. The students, remaining part of the multiple choice question we will solve in our next video. And students, please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.